Meet the KT2 Kung Fu Turtle. It may look like a simple tabletop toy, but it's actually a versatile gadget ready for all kinds of surprising roles. This portable fighter, programmable turtle, and helpful assistant took Kickstarter by storm, raising over $140,000 in one campaign. Priced at just $99, it comes packed with 99 games. You don't need to be a tech expert to assemble it either. With only 12 parts and 20 easy steps, putting it together is a breeze. Some of its cool features include a timer for the Pomodoro method and exercise reminders. Why not do push-ups with the robot? Weighing just 160 grams and smaller than an iPhone 15, the KT2 Kung Fu Turtle fits perfectly in your bag or backpack, making it the ideal companion for your commute to the office. Introducing the Shin, a versatile hybrid gadget that combines a light, power bank, alarm, and multi-tool. Equipped with an IR sensor, it detects animal activity within a 10-meter radius and a 60 degrees range, alerting you with light and sound if a wolf or bear approaches. Shin offers 3 lighting modes with different warmth settings. Its 20-watt-hour battery lasts up to 18 hours, and it weighs just 210 grams. All these features come at a budget-friendly price of $59. Every year, over 1 million limbs are amputated worldwide, making the market for bionic prostheses worth billions and driving innovations like the Soft Foot Pro. This artificial foot mimics the anatomy of a real foot, allowing users to squat and kneel comfortably. The Soft Foot Pro's toes flex to store energy and release it when pushing off the ground. Impressively, all these features are purely mechanical. No batteries, motors, or charging ports needed. Why complicate things when plastic parts and steel cables get the job done? The foot has already undergone clinical trials and has been successfully tested on the 4-legged robot, Animal. Introducing the Tinder TP and Glass Mag. The Tinder TP is a simple, quick-to-assemble structure that replaces dry wood, offering an impressive 3-minute burning time. Its laser-cut, 4-panel birch design ensures optimal airflow and combustion, making assembly straightforward. Just stack a few wooden planks. This eco-friendly burner emits no harmful emissions and is compact, measuring approximately 3.4 inches by 2.2 inches. Alongside it, the Glass Mag is a compact magnifying glass, originally designed as an April Fool's joke, but practical for starting fires using sunlight. The Curl Mobile is a human-powered vehicle with electric assistance, making it an eco-friendly way to get around. Its composite chassis and road bike wheels make it lightweight and easy to maneuver. Equipped with a unique assistant motor featuring automatic gears, you can also manually select gear shifts. The Curl Mobile accommodates 2 riders, allowing each to pedal independently thanks to freewheel cranks. It also features an anti-theft system that requires a PIN code to operate. This versatile vehicle is perfect for commuting, exercising, or even racing, offering a comfortable driving position and a clear view of your surroundings. Introducing the Rockpack, the world's first and only all-in-one solution combining a flashlight, solar charging, battery power, and rugged waterproof storage. This lightweight marvel is ready for extreme adventures, withstanding temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius and submersion in 1 meter of water for up to 30 minutes. With a powerful 12,000 mAh battery, it can charge 2 devices simultaneously, enough to recharge an iPhone 14 3 times. Get your Rockpack for just $179. The Lit Motors C1 is an innovative electric vehicle, EV, that combines the best of both 2-wheel and 4-wheel travel. This gyro-stabilized, self-balancing 2-wheel EV offers the comfort and safety of a car with the efficiency and thrill of a motorcycle. The C1 can hit speeds over 100 miles per hour, tilt up to 45 degrees, and travel up to 170 miles per charge. Its advanced gyro technology ensures stability where traditional motorcycles might struggle, transferring roll movements to the gyros rather than the occupants for added protection. Equipped with seat belts, airbags, and a strong steel-aluminum chassis, the C1 promises a unique and safe driving experience. Looking for a versatile tool that's built to handle a variety of tough situations? Meet the Multi-Mission Axe MMA from Outland Equipment. This isn't just any axe. It's a multifunctional powerhouse designed for the military, rescuers, and law enforcement officers. Crafted from a single piece of hardened S7 tool steel, the base of this axe ensures unmatched strength and durability. The head functions as both a hammer and a wrench, while the lower part of the handle features a cutter and crowbar. Special pads on the handle provide a secure grip, even with wet hands. All these features come at a premium price. The 38 cm model with a 10 cm blade is available for $425. Invest in the MMA for a reliable and versatile tool that won't let you down. Imagine cleaning your clothes at home in just 5 minutes. It might have seemed like science fiction not long ago, but now it's a reality with Presto's garment care machine. Resembling a sleek, stylish closet and about the size of a small refrigerator, this innovative device transforms home laundry. While it's not as spacious as a typical closet, the machine can hold up to 3 items, though it's not ideal for longer garments like dresses or robes. Simply place your clothes inside, select the appropriate setting, and let the magic happen. The machine releases 4 streams of steam mixed with an alcohol-based disinfectant to clean and sanitize your clothes. Most sharpeners just sharpen, but Cheryls Tool is a game-changer for survivalists. It looks like a penknife, but it's so much more. It includes a ferro rod and a 110 decibels whistle built right into the body. When it comes to sharpening, this tool excels with 2 sets of blades. Tungsten carbide for quick sharpening and ceramic for a smooth finish. The optimal angles are preset, so it's ready to use right away. Plus, the conical diamond rod is perfect for tasks like sharpening fishing hooks. There's even a hole for a paracord lanyard. All this for just $16, an incredible deal. Many cyclists wonder how to safely practice the bunny hop, a jump that not only helps you clear obstacles, but also sets the stage for more advanced tricks. The challenge is that the bunny hop requires you to shift your center of gravity backward until the front wheel lifts up, which isn't easy to master right away. To avoid injury and disturbances, you can invest $600 in the Garage Bunny, the world's first bunny hop trainer. It works with bikes that have wheels ranging from 20 to 29 inches and lets you jump up to 56 centimeters. The BOS 3000T is a must-have for solo hikers who want to travel light. Weighing in at just 25 grams, about the same as 5 sheets of A4 paper. This camping stove is incredibly lightweight but still durable. Made from a strong titanium alloy with added copper, it connects to liquefied gas cylinders and is fuel efficient, using only 13 grams to boil a liter of water. While it might take a bit longer to heat your food compared to larger burners, the BOS 3000T is perfect if you're not in a rush. At just $18, it's an affordable, practical option that makes traveling easier. Leave the bulky gear to someone else. The Sky Surfer aircraft is an all-electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) vehicle developed by M Aviation. Designed for personal use, it's compact and user-friendly, folding down to a size that can be carried on a passenger airplane, making it extremely portable. Although still in development, the company has shared some impressive specs. A range of up to 100 miles and a top speed of 60 miles per hour. Remarkably quiet, it operates at less than 70 decibels. As an ultralight aircraft, it has a maximum gross takeoff weight of less than 500 pounds, offering a convenient and eco-friendly option for personal transportation. Watch as the creators of the UA8 Evolution deliver yet another sales masterclass. Priced at $819, this life jacket is a steal, boasting approval from the US military and featuring the revolutionary Switlik system. Despite weighing only 1.6 kilograms, it offers an impressive buoyancy of 36 kilograms. Plus, it includes integrated M-mounts for added convenience. The Lazareth LMV 496, created by French mechanical engineer Ludovic Lazareth, is a groundbreaking vehicle, the world's first transforming flying electric motorbike. On the road, it functions as a high-performance electric motorcycle with a range of about 60 miles. But with the flip of a switch, its true magic unfolds. 4 jet engines, one in each wheel hub, deploy and tilt downwards, transforming the LMV 496 into a flying machine. These kerosene-fueled turbines generate a total of 1,300 horsepower, allowing for short flights of around 10 minutes. This limited edition flying motorcycle is estimated to cost around $500,000. Introducing the jerry can, not just for storing water, but purifying it too. This portable purifier filters 5,300 gallons of water, instantly eliminating viruses, bacteria, and parasites. Holding up to 5 gallons, it's perfect for group expeditions, family vacations, or off-grid living. No harmful substances like chlorine are needed. Weighing under 9 pounds, it's easy to use and can even double as a shower with an attachable hose. Proven in military and humanitarian operations, this jerry can is a must-have for reliable, clean water anywhere. In February 2023, Bridgestone and Idemitsu Kozen Company in Japan will test Bridgestone's innovative Airless Tires using a compact electric vehicle operated by Idemitsu. These futuristic tires feature resin spokes inside and a rubber lining outside, eliminating the need for air inflation. Designed to handle rough terrain and speed bumps smoothly, the Airless Tires ensure a comfortable ride without drivers being jolted from their seats. Bridgestone's Airless Tires aim to simplify tire management by removing concerns about air pressure and punctures. Unlike conventional tires that rely on high-pressure air for support and shock absorption, these advanced tires offer a spring-like function without the hassle of inflation, similar to an inflated ball. Introducing the X1 Exoskeleton. Now you can experience superhero-like abilities straight out of the movies. While you may not be lifting cars single-handedly just yet, the X1 Exoskeleton from Dennis allows you to effortlessly carry loads up to 84s. Even without heavy lifting, it provides an extra 900 watts of power, making walking, hiking, climbing, and running much easier, reducing energy consumption by 50%. Notably, it enables comfortable running speeds exceeding 16 miles per hour, faster than the average half-marathon runner. Weighing just 3.5 orbs, the X1 is incredibly portable and easy to use on any adventure. Integrated motion sensors and advanced AI algorithms analyze leg positions, interpreting user movements to adjust engine power instantly. For $399, you can upgrade to this partial superhero experience. For more capabilities, there's a more powerful version available at $998. It's your chance to enhance your outdoor prowess with cutting-edge technology. The Stas Tactical Alarm System is a game-changer for campsite security. Developed from the ground up, it's ideal for protecting campgrounds and tent sites with its versatile configuration to handle different threats. You can load it with flares and special ammunition to deter animals like bears and other wildlife. The Stas system can be triggered automatically or manually, and the basic kit is conveniently pocket-sized. All this for just $75. Quite a deal.